My first bachelor's degree is in psychology. I chose that field to be completely transparent because I was young and I was in school and I had no idea what I wanted to do. After receiving my bachelor's degree, I moved back home. My mom suggested, why don't you go work at a hospital? They have patient sitter roles. I went into it. It definitely made me feel that I wanted a more hands-on approach. So I was there for a while. I was a patient sitter for maybe a year, and then I transitioned to be a CNA afterward, which ultimately led me into pursuing nursing instead. And now I'm back in school. What was important as far as the outcome of this program with a master's degree, I was coming in with a bachelor's degree. They were recognizing it, and instead of making me start all over, they were building on top of it. I do plan to be a nurse practitioner. I want to open my own practice one day and go from there. I want to make a difference, so that's kind of my goal here.